some basic outfit. So मैंने jeans को pair किया है with this black basic t-shirt. Now the best part of basic t-shirt is that कि हम उन्हें कभी भी कहीं भी wear कर सकते हैं and also हम उन्हें different तरीके से style कर सकते हैं. Like for example, here I wear some hoop earrings and white heels to add some color to this outfit, and yeah, this is the final outfit. So the next outfit with the jeans is also falls in basic category, but here I wear this basic high neck polo neck top which has this polka print all over it, and I love wearing polo neck and high neck top because they helps you to look stylish in seconds, but still they are like basic, so हम इन्हें कभी भी कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं. And yeah, this is the second outfit. So in next outfit, I pair these jeans with some fancy top which has this deep neck, balloon sleeves, fluffy sleeves, you know, different style wale sleeves, which you can totally wear with jeans to get that proper stylish wala look. But if you want to wear some top with jeans for your college and work but still want to look stylish, you can totally go for top like this which has similar design, similar pattern, but they are like more practical for your college and workplaces. Now for my next outfit, I pair my jeans with this beautiful red shirt. Now again I feel जो शर्ट होती हैं वो भी मल्टीपर्पज़ होती हैं बिकॉज हम उन्हें कभी भी कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं. हम उन्हें कॉलेज में पहन सकते हैं, वर्क के लिए पहन सकते हैं, इवन पार्टीज़ और फंक्शन के लिए भी हम जीन्स और शर्ट को पहन सकते हैं by creating a similar look that I created with shirt and jeans. So for next outfit, I again wear my jeans with shirt, but this time I wear a loose fitted shirt. Now ये वाला जो shirt का size है वो L है, like बहुत ही loose and बड़ा size है. But the only magic we have to do with loose shirt to look stylish is to tug in. And now you can totally see a different outfit after tug in. And ये वाला outfit भी आप कहीं भी कभी भी पहन सकते हैं. So for next outfit, I'm wearing my jeans with my favorite clothing item, which is blazer. So in this outfit, I pair my jeans with some tank top and short blazer. Now I feel short blazer gives more formal look, so they are great option for our office, but I prefer wearing short blazer with dresses also. They look amazing. But if you want to try something hatke, you can definitely go for long blazer. By adding some hoop earrings and अपने बाल खोल के, you can totally change this long blazer वाला look. सो आप लॉन्ग ब्लेज़र को एज अ फॉर्मल भी पहन सकते हैं, प्लस आप इस टाइप का आउटफिट भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं विच हैज़ दिस यू नो क्लासिक टच टू इट, विच इज़ माई फेवरेट. नाउ अगेन बोथ द आउटफिट्स आर मल्टीपर्पज़, आप इन्हें भी कभी भी कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं. So as I'm wearing this tank top, so I'm not changing it but creating a different outfit using that tank top. So यहाँ पे मैंने ब्लेज़र की जगह श्रग को वेयर किया है. And again you can definitely go for this outfit because it's too comfortable, casual, plus a cute outfit. Now I'm changing my tank top with this printed sleeveless top जो आप wear कर सकते हैं long blazer के साथ. Now this look is more elegant, more classy and more dress up than the previous look. And again ये वाला look भी आप कभी भी कहीं भी wear कर सकते हैं, college, work, party, function, anywhere. Now with jeans, it's very easy to create an Indo-Western look, and that's what I did in my last outfit. Now here with jeans, I wear a tank top and a kurta जिसको मैंने श्रग की तरह wear किया है. एंड आउटफिट को ट्रेडिशनल टच देने का एक सिंपल तरीका है कि आप झुमके पहन लो और बिंदी लगा लो, दैट्स इट, एंड योर इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक इज़ रेडी.